Good morning, student. Class 9 student. Last video we have learned about the computer system, component of computer system, component of CPU. Today I am going to teach here types of computers based on principle of operations. Computer come in a variety of design for the different purpose, different capability, cost, based on their performance are principle of operations. Computer categorized three type: analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computer. Analog computer are the computer which is going to get the input through the signals, and they are mainly used to verify the signal value. An analog computer work on continuous variable for the purpose of mathematical computations. Such temperature thermometer, voltage meter, power and density meter are the example to work as a use of input as analog computer. Second is a digital computer. Digital computer is a computer work on the principle of binary digit system, 0 and 1 concept. A digital computer can perform the complex task and provide a more accurate and faster result than a analog. Digital computer categorize two type. We can say further classification of digital computer are specific purpose computer, general purpose computer. Specific purpose computer mean a one computer that used to specific application like ATM machine, like washing machine, like oven. Many examples are there where they can make use of the concept of computer application program but in a limited format. Second is general purpose computer. Purpose computer are used for different type of application. That is specific purpose, only one purpose the particular computer can be used, and also the particular device can be used. But the general purpose, that means they can work in a different application for the different purpose to store the different program as per job, according the job, to specify the value, to specify the instructions. Third and last, hybrid computer. Hybrid computer are used in the especially for the scientific and the medical purpose. Hybrid computer is a perfect combination of analog and the digital computer. It is the particular device, it accepts analog signals and convert into the digital and process them in the digital format. This type of computer is known as hybrid computer. Next topic is computer on the based on configuration, a type of computer based on configuration. Apart from this general categorization of a computer can also be differentiated on the basis of their physical structure. So the based on capacity and performance, we are going to use the lower capacity as smallest size till the higher. The digital computer categorize four type of. First is microcomputer. Microcomputer is also known as a personal computer, a PC. These computers use a microprocessor. They cost less and very small in size, and most popular type of personal computers we are looking nowadays in the market: smartphone, tablet, laptop, personal computer. So I'm going to show here some pictures. Just microcomputer, laptop here, tablet here, notebook here, PC tablet here, handheld device here, and embedded system. Just any other supporting systems are also used, that is called embedded system. These are known as microcomputer. Second type of computer is on the physical structure, that is a mini computer. These computers are bigger in size, have a higher processing speed, and these are a more durable computer than a personal computer. Mini computers are used in the business, education, many other government department. These computers are mostly used, designed to handle the multiple terminals, just to keep record for further. Mini computers also used to make use as a server, either we can say the web server. Many other organizations also may use, even the government or private. Next is mainframe computer. These computers are larger than a mini computer. Mainframe computer process the data at very high speed in place of mini computer. As the name suggests, is the higher than a mini. As I told, mini computers are used to make a server by the different organization, private sector, even the government sector, where the particular organization having more than 50,000 users, they can make use of the server, they can make use of this computer. In place of mini, they can make use of mainframe computer to store the information, especially in the bank, insurance company, any manufacturing company, or any other commercial sector also. They can make use of the computer often as a server, where more than 50,000 users are going to share the information. Last is a supercomputer. Largest computer, highest speed of the supercomputer. These computers most powerful, most expensive, and fastest computer in the world. These computers are used in the government agencies such as Internal Revenue Services, National Weather System, National Defense Agencies. Such type of organizations, they are going to use supercomputer because it is a higher speed, fastest speed, and most powerful computer. India has developed first supercomputer Param and Anurag. Param 2, 3 series was there, 10,000 and 12,000. 10,000, 12,000, and Anurag. But now examples of the supercomputer Cray 1 and Cray 2 control data, etc. These are the supercomputers. Performance of computer, we can say, depends on main the parts CPU speed, RAM and hard disk. Computer performance, it is very important. Whatever computing device you use work in an efficient manner and is very fast. A few things which affects our overall performance of a computer are listed below. Speed, a CPU speed. Actually, a CPU clock speed is measured in hertz, megahertz, gigahertz like. It is also known as clock rate. With this, we can measure the speed of computer. In which speed computer is going to perform the task. The higher speed means the fastest task performance. The task performance is good if higher speed is there. CPU like complex calculation or moving data from one to another with the help of RAM. Now RAM, if the amount of RAM is large enough to hold the information in it, then we can say our computer can work with fast speed. Faster CPU means better performance. To complete the complex heavy calculation performance with very high speed, it depends on the speed and RAM amount. RAM. If RAM is not large enough, the speed of computer slow down. So we need to work fast. So we need to increase the RAM of our computer. Hard disk. The size and speed of a computer is also crucial for computing device. The device which is going to store the information for the future use. They can make use the large storage capacity of a hard disk. The faster and more durable, better memory place to perform overall jobs, to store. An overview of a communication technologies. As I have already explained in the basics of information technology in starting, the communication technology, other way we can say ICT, information communication technology, with which type of medium or method we can communicate over the computer. In this digital era, we can work with many technological consent by using the communication techniques or technology. There are few are listed in this. Email, as name suggests, email, electronical mail, has proved to be the biggest assets in the sending and receiving mails instantly. It allows the user to communicate with the people around the world, anytime, anywhere, and that can get a digital data. Digital means that can accept audio, video, text, graphics, animations. These all digital are digitalization concept. Texture messaging, text messaging, popularly known as SMS, short message services. This is called text message. And if we want to make use of multimedia messages, may text, may picture, may audio, video, what? So that is called MMS, multimedia messaging, a multimedia messaging services. Chat. A chat is online conversation in which we can instantly send a message back and forth to the people across the globe, across the world. It provides a feel of real spoken communication, a conversation. So we can interact, chat. Chatting can be used two type, normally two type. That is called voice chat, that is vocal chat, and text chat messaging. Face-to-face communication, that is called video conferencing. Video conferencing means live camera. A video camera connected two or more computers, they are getting image, sound, a movie, we can say. The actual time, the face-to-face communication, a face-to-face conversation, not communication, face-to-face conversation is called video conferencing. Blogs. Blogs are the word comes from weblog, because blog consists of a sign and dated log of individual posting. Just like we have listened about the blog, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, or any other celebrities. Blog means the internet space they are making use to express their views in a particular area. That is called blog. Blog can be an interactive activity. Reader can read and add the comments over that. Microblogging. Microblogging is a technique, a specific method of blogging. Post and share short messages, image, video links, etc. Nowadays, we can say a microblogging we can use with a Twitter, sending and receiving messages and giving the comments over there, any other social websites also. Wikis. A wikis is an easy to use to collaborative websites on which the users can share or modify the content directly from the web browser. As compared to the blog, the content of wikis are normally created without any definition owner. Just Wikipedia, online encyclopedia, is a most popular wiki-based websites and one of the most widely viewed sites in the world. Newsgroup. Newsgroup is a discussion platform about the particular subject. particular topic we can discuss. It is a method to interact within a group that is called news group. A newsnet uses, with the help of the NNTP, Network News Transfer Protocol, for communication. Network News Transfer Protocol, which can be read by all the other subscribers of the news group, and they may give the information or comments. There are many collaboration tools are available in the internet, on the internet, which help the user to create, share, modify and calendar, event, file, etc. Document and calendar sharing services. Google provide the many tools with the feature such Docs as a document, calendar as a gateway, and forms, the different format they can use to share the information. Okay student, now this topic is over, chapter is over. You may go through all the PDF and listen my video and get ready for the question answers. I'll give you the question answers format. One word answer, fill in the blanks, true, false, short answer, differentiate, and application based answers. Okay, thank you.